Hey guys, good evening, Saturday night dinner, and this is from KFC. Okay, so we've got here the chicken Rockin burger, which is a juicy, crispy chicken fillet topped with spicy, creamy 3-pepper mayo and iceberg lettuce served in a soft, warm bun. Because it's been a while since you know taken it from the vault over here, so it's not that warm anymore. Some of the lettuce just came out. Okay, and along with that, in the snack box we have I actually thought it was something else, but what it is basically hot and saucy chicken, which is juicy crispy chicken in a yummy chili garlic sauce with chili flakes and bits of garlic, parsley, bits of garlic and parsley. So saucy and hot chicken with garlic sauce, chili flakes, and I've actually got the menu for KFC India open over here, the chicken Rockin burger. Okay, so let's try the burger first. Hope I don't make a mess. Let's take a nice big bite. Excuse me, that is good. The only problem is that, it's not hot or even warm anymore. So it's cooled off quite a bit, but it's still tasty. Took a sip of water to cleanse my palate. That's not. I think I like it a lot. Let's take another bite. Okay, that's pretty good. Let's try the hot saucy chicken. Garlicky and wow, that is spicy. Okay, I'm gonna give one of these big chunks of chicken a bite. That was really good. Again, it's a little cold. That is the only problem. Had this been really hot, it would have been excellent. What do I give it a rating? I need more water. I think I'm going to close with this. The burger, the chicken Rockin burger gets. What do I give it? I'm a little worried because the only problem is because it's a little bit colder, so maybe that's going to affect the rating now, but I'll give it an 8. It's fine. It's I like that creamy pepper mayo that they have. They say it's a creamy 3-pepper mayo. That's good. Really goes well with the chicken. So I'll give it an 8. These I'm going to give it a 9. They're really good. And really spicy. I like them a lot. So probably next time I'll go for a bigger amount, but this is really great. Thanks guys. Good night from me.